Hey, Learning Leopards, today is Friday, April 17th, and it is time for sound work. Today, our rhyme is un, thinking of words that end in un. Sun, bun, done, fun, run. Okay, now we're going to do our beginning sounds. Ready? Restaurant, restaurant, rrr. Operation, operation, ah, ah, ah. Into, I, I. Golden, golden, g, g, g. Effort, effort, eh, eh, eh. All right, let's blend our sounds. Are you ready? Here we go. T, e, n, ten. F, I, n, fin. V, et, vet. Ugh, hug. T, op, top. Sap, sap. Ed, bed. Jam, jam. Nut, nut. Dock, dock. Good job. All right, hop on your roller coaster. We're looking for those middle sounds. Ready? Web, web. Ebb, eh, eh, eh. Back, back. Back, ah, ah, ah. Fish, fish. Ish, I, I. Yes, yes. Yes, eh, eh, eh. Mud, mud. Mud, Pet, pet. Pet, eh, eh, eh. Not, not. Not, ah, ah, ah. Get your choppers out. Let's segment our sounds or break them apart. Ready? Here we go. One, n. Mop, mop, op. Fib, fib, fib. Tag, tag, tag. Hen, hen, en. Cut, cut, cut. Hop, hop, op. Let, let. Dip, dip, dip. Good job. All right, I'm going to give you the end of the word, sometimes called the rhyme or the end. And then we're going to give you the onset or the beginning sounds. We're going to put them together. Ready? Here we go. Add s, some, op, add mop. Im, add d, dim. Ab, add t, tab. Et, add l, let. Okay, now I'm going to be taking off the first sound or the onset. Here we go. Hop, hop without is op. Done, done without d is un. Mit, mit without is it. Red, red without r is ed. Sat, sat without s is at. Now we're going to be replacing that beginning sound. Here we go. Fill, fill, change f to w, will. Deck, deck, change d to neck. Bus, bus, change b to f, fuss. Den, den, change d to p, pen. Pick, pick, change p to s, sick. All right, here we go with our letters and sounds. Okay, letters. SH sound sh. Letter U sound Second sound U. Letter Z sound z. Letter H sound h. Letter I sound I. Second sound I. Letters TH sound th. Letter X sound x. Beginning of the word, sometimes it says z. Letter K sound k. Letter R sound, R. Letter O sound, ah, ah, ah. Second sound, O. Letter G sound, G, G, G. Second sound, J, J, J. Letter D sound, D, D, D. Letter Y sound, Y, Y, Y. Can also say E or I. Letter M sound, mm. Letter C sound, K, K, K. Second sound, S. Letter A sound, ah, ah, ah. Second sound, A. Letter E sound, eh, eh, eh. Second sound, E. Letter L sound, L. Letter P sound, P, P, P. Letter F sound, F. Letter B sound, B, B, B. Letter W sound, W, W, W. Letter S sound, S. Letters CH sound, Ch, Ch, Ch. Letter Q sound, Qu, Qu, Qu. Letter J sound, J, J, J. Letter V sound, V. Letter N sound, N. Last one, letter T sound, T, T, T. All right, let's see our whole nursery rhyme today. This will be our last day with this nursery rhyme. Let's see what we have. Okay, here we go. Let me get my pointer. All right, here we go. Hey, diddle, diddle. Hey, diddle, diddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. All right, let's try it one more time. Here we go. Hey, diddle, diddle. Hey, diddle, diddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. I want you to take a look at this word right here. Okay. Now, if I was going to say the sounds and blend those together, I might say w, it, witta, witta, witta. That doesn't sound like a word that I know. So what I'm going to do is look for a part that I know. So this is another one of our reading strategies. Look for parts you know. And I see one of our digraphs right here, this T and H. And I know when T and H are together, they make the th sound. So now I'm going to try to sound it out again using that th at the end. Ready? Do it with me. W, I, th, with. That makes more sense. Let's check and make sure we're right. Hey, diddle, diddle. The cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such a sight, and the dish ran away with the spoon. That's the word with. See another one here that has one of the digraphs we know, looking for parts we know. See a part I know right here. S and H. If I was going to sound out that word and I used every individual sound, it would sound like this. D, is, dissa. But if I notice, this is a part that I know, that sh sound. Watch me do it again. D, I, sh, dish. So sometimes when you're trying to figure out a new word, you can look for a part that you already know. Might be one of those digraphs, the SH, CH, TH. Those are parts of words that we already know and can help you sound them out. Nice job this week, kindergarten.